Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to do a video on how to make a flash disk bootable. So for you to do that, you need to have Windows image. You have a flash disk, and there is a program that I want to show you that you're going to use. It's called Rufus. So I can show you my operating system here in image. This is my Windows that I want to make bootable on a flash disk, and I have my flash disk here, this one here, HP. So what we're going to do now, just go to the browser, type Rufus download. This is the program. Then now click this one here. Okay, you can download that. So once that has downloaded, you can run it. Okay, yes. So what happens, this program will point to your flash disk, and you can see here the HP flash disk. So we are now going to select the Windows, the location where it is, the image, you remember, click that one, and mine was here. Okay, this is the image. Click at that, open. So after that, I'm not going to do a video on this, I'll do a video on that later. There's something called GPT in full, that's guide partition table, and also we have MBR, master boot record, but I'm not going to discuss that now. So GPT is basically this the structure of the hard disk. The modern hard disk usually pick the GPT, and we have the MBR. So I'll use the MBR. If the hard disk that you have is using MBR, you need to select MBR, and once you select MBR, you see it will change to BIOS. Yes, so let's go with GPT. But the good thing, you can always, if you start to boot your computer and it asks you to make it MBR, you just come back and select the MBR. But now today I want us to go with GPT to show you how you're going to do that. Then start. Okay, so this one will take some minutes. Let's just wait. So this one will take some time. It's only that I paused for some time, but you will have to wait. It will take around 3 minutes to 5 minutes to complete that. Let's now wait. Okay, it's now ready. So what we're going to do is to now close that, and now your flash disk will be ready for use. You can continue to subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you click notification so that every time I do a new video, you get updated on that. So that's how you do it.